This video will show you how to create an admin user on your AWS account, which is required to deploy Page Mosaic. First, you need to open the AWS console using your root account. In the console, look for the IAM Identity Center section. Once you are in the IAM Identity Center, select the Users section. Here, we will add a new user by clicking on the Add User button. Enter the username and email. Then, choose a username as you see fit. Move to the next page. Here, you don't need to enter anything. On the following page, just review the user's information. To confirm the creation of the new user, click Add User. As a result, we have a new user. Now we need to create a set of administrative rights. Go to the Permission Set section. In this section, you need to create a new set of permissions. Click on the Create Permission Set button. We need the full set of administrative rights, so just select the pre-made set named Administrator Access. Then, proceed to the next page. Name our new set with a name that helps us understand why it was created. Move to a new page. Here, do nothing and simply confirm the creation of the set. Now we need to assign this set of rights to our user. Go to the AWS Account section. Select the Managing Account to which we want to link our user. Then click on the button Assign Users and Groups. Here we open the Users tab and select the user we created from the list. Move to the next page. Choose the administrative set of rights that we created earlier. Proceed to the next page. Review our choice of user and confirm by clicking on the Submit button. Wait until the user is linked to our account. With this, the creation of an administrative user in our AWS account is complete. AWS sends an email invitation to the user for registration confirmation. The user needs to open this email and accept the invitation by clicking on the button. In the form that opens, enter a new password and confirm it. After successfully completing the registration, we try to log into the AWS console with the newly created password. Great, now we need to set up our local computer so that we can access AWS from the command line. Let's find the instructions for installing the AWS CLI tool. Choose the OS that suits us. Download the installation package to the local computer. Start the installation. Carefully go through all the stages of installing the AWS CLI tool on the local computer. Now launch the terminal on our computer and check if we can call AWS CLI commands. Next, we'll configure the profile configuration for the administrative user's access to our AWS account. Come up with a name for the user session. In the SSO Start URL field, we need to enter the URL we take from the text of the invitation for registration in the AWS console, which we saw earlier. Choose the AWS region where the user will create and manage resources from the command line. Leave the registration scopes as they are. A web page will open where we need to authorize the user. Here, we need to confirm access for our AWS CLI. After confirming access, finish creating the profile by specifying the default AWS region for the CLI and the data format from AWS. Now we can execute AWS commands directly from our terminal. Thank you for watching.